I started dental school this year and it's been a non-stop barrage of lectures punctuated by exams. So how do I, as a first year, silence all this noise and organise myself for the years ahead? Hi, if you're new here, I'm Harry. I'm a dental student studying at Bart in London, also known as Queen Mary University of London. And today I'm going to give you a tour of my Notion and go through every single thing I use almost every single day to keep myself organised. So let's get into it. So firstly, I have my second brain, which is just kind of like a homepage for everything. So at the top here, I have a clock, the weather in London, and the year, so what day it is out of the year. Have a little to-do list here, so when I need to jot down anything I need to do that day, just put it in there. Have particular tags and what day I need to do it in if it's a more of a long-term to-do list, perhaps for the week. I also have my current priorities as well, so if my dental exams are my number one priority, I've also got a little personal goal of trying to upload to this channel once a week. And also number 3 is also to develop my side business as a tutor as well. My goals for this year is to pass my first year exams and try and reach 1,000 subscribers. And on the left here, we have a little directory to other parts of this system. And the top bit here is the daily habit. So on here, I have every single day, so it's basically a calendar, but have a little to-do list on each of the calendars. And I haven't really had a 5 streak in a while. I need to get back onto it. So today I've done some Anki cards and I've had my exercise as well. I need to read for a bit, meditate and journal, and all of this data goes down into this big graph down here. So ideally I want to get up here again. So recently I've been coming back at it, but I need to try and reach the top. Then I also have my dentistry, which I'll go on to after this page, and also my YouTube, so where I organise all my videos, upcoming videos and everything. Down below here I have my Pomodoro timer. I also have one installed on my computer as well, like a different one, but I just use this one sometimes. So you get the normal Pomodoro for 25 minutes, a short break of 5 minutes, and a long break of 10 minutes. So say if I've done 4 sets of Pomodoros, I can take a 10-minute break. And on the right here, I have the typical playlist that I usually listen to when I'm studying. So unfortunately, Spotify and Notion, when you embed it, it comes up as a preview. So I just use this as a link to my playlist on the actual Spotify app. Moving on, we'll look at my dentistry page, which is the page that I literally use every day. And up here is a little shout out for what I need to do across this degree to try and get honours in it. So this worked really well when I was doing neuroscience. So to get into dentistry, what I had to do there, I put that at the top as my main goal. So then looking at the actual content, so the first year is split into 3 modules, and I have a little first year tab here. So further on, when I have second year, third year, I can make new tabs. So for example, let's look at basic science and clinical skills 1. So ICA 1, ICA 2. So here I have it like a weekly breakdown of all my lectures. That looks like a lot of lectures, but they were very easy ones. So let's not have a look at that one. Let's have a look at this one, right? So this was week 7. So this was the start of dental materials, and so each one of these, I have the name of it, the status, so the notes of it, and the module that they're in. So total, these are all the modules that we have in first year. So this one is oral sciences, whether I've attended them or not, how well I've understood them, and just the slides associated with those lectures. So perhaps during the lecture, if the lecturer mentions that this topic has come up a lot, or particular caveats to anything we might need to look up, I just put it in the notes section. So whenever I come back for a revision, I can just see it there. So let's have a look at physical properties, mechanical 1. So here I have all the notes based off the lecture slides with these little toggle tags. So when I'm coming back and I want to test myself, and I look at the questions like, okay, how is strain calculated? Just open it up and just see it's change in length divided by the original length. So I use this in tandem with Anki as well. So I feel like Anki can be a bit daunting when you have 200 cards due and you think, oh, I can't do that. So instead, if I want to still look at that topic, but I'm feeling a bit intimidated by the Anki, I just do these instead. And it's just a great way to look back at my notes. So that is essentially my Notion. So it's quite simple. I do this every day, just looking at this. So currently, if I have a look, we are on week 22. So we've just had, I think it was the ceramics one yesterday. So I need to make notes on that. And as you can see, these are also oral sciences as well. And essentially, that is my Notion tour. Leave a comment if you use Notion as well and how you use it, and I'll see you next time.